month is the March, that is the third month of the year 2021. Then the date is 17th. Okay, 17th March 2021. That is today is Wednesday. Okay. Before starting our class, today I am going to give a little bit light on the vegetables. Why you have to eat the vegetables and what are the uses of the vegetables. Okay. First, we will think of little bit green leaves. Okay, what are those? Like broccoli, mint leaves, tulsi, coriander, spinach, methi. So many green leaves vegetables are there that are rich in the minerals and also the iron content. So you have to eat plenty of the green leaves. ಹಂಗಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್? beetroot. Beetroot is also a kind of vegetable. Beetroot, carrot, radish, which are the root vegetables, which will improve iron content and also the what? Blood albumins called hemoglobins, white blood cells, red blood cells. Everything will be improved in our body. That fluid is fluid is there. That is called a root vegetables. You have to eat plenty. That too, the carrot and the beetroot. Next is a lady's finger. You all know what is the benefit of the lady's finger? Yes, it helps in us increasing our memory power. The plenty of the okra or the lady's finger, if you intake, it will increase your memory power. You can eat in many kind, like you can eat a lady's finger curry, you can eat just frying the lady's finger with a pinch of salt and a pepper, like that you can have. Then we will go to a ginger, garlic and a onion. These three spices gives a good tint to the the food. Okay, the smell will be somewhat pungent, but the tint is very nice. If you put a roasted onion for the biryanis and all, the color will change. No, that is called a tint. Okay, that gives a add-on smell or taste to the particular food. It helps in us cleaning our intestine. Okay, then also it will kills a minimum quantity of worms, small worms in our small intestine and also the big intestine. So children, what I am going to tell you, every day you have to eat vegetables either raw or semi-cooked, and some vegetables fully cooked. What are those? Which vegetables? You can eat raw vegetables like beetroot, carrot, radish, peas and the onions and also the tomatoes. The semi-cooked, that vegetables like leaves, green leaf vegetables like spinach, mint, cauliflower, then broccoli. All these tomatoes also you need to cook it little bit and you can eat it. It is a very healthy. Fully cooked like okra, in the sense what? Lady's finger, yam. They will tell no. They like for example, yam is suvarna gette. Then what else? Bitter gourd, bottle gourd, apple gourd. Everything you have to eat it with the fully cooked, because if you eat it with a half cooked, semi cooked or a raw, you will get a throat infection, children. So you have to cook it finely and then you have to intake those vegetables. Understood? No? Shall we start our class, regular class? Yes? Yes. First, I am going to teach you English, your cursive writing. Okay, we were in the cursive writing we finished all the things like alphabets and 3-letter words, 2-letter words, and we started the sentences also, children. Today I am going to do some other sentences using the same sentences what they given in the cursive writing book. Okay, please open your page number 55. Okay, in the page 55 what they are given. Okay, a man is in the camp. A man is okay. A man is in the camp. The sentences I am taking. I am not writing my own sentences. I am taking the sentences what they are given in your book only. So you try to write it with the neat handwriting with the sharp pencil. Don't use your eraser every time. Okay. Next, a fan is in the van. A fan is in the van. A fan is in the van. The box is on the box. The fox is box. The fox is on the box. I have written 3 sentences here. You have to write two times. One time you have to trace the dotted line. Another one time you have to write with your own. Okay. The man is in the cab. A fan is in the van. The fox is on the box. Okay. As of today, we have completed all the cursive writing. I know that I have did very fastly the cursive writing because that was not in your curriculum, just for your upper classes easiness I have did the cursive writing. Okay children, you also finish your book within a time and give the book for me for the correction. This is the cursive writing. Okay, do practice. I have not given any extra homework in your 4 lines book, but you can practice daily a 4 lines, at least 4 lines using your cursive alphabets only, so that it will improve your what writing skill also, writing accent also, and also the styling of the alphabet. Understood? Yes. Now we are moving the same thing with the new concept in the English, that is one and more. One and many. One ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? One ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? One ಅಂತೀವಿ. Many ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, I know that you are getting a confusion that why it will come in a English. It's a maths concept, correct? No, but in the English we will take it as a singular and a plural, or ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ is the differences is the s will add with that. See, if I tell one sentences, there was a car standing under the tree. Okay, first sentences, there was a car standing under the tree. Okay, there was a car. picture for the same thing. Okay, there was a car standing under the tree. Okay, this is only one car was standing under the tree. The same sentence I will change it. There were cars standing here. What was the difference? There were cars standing under the tree. The was wanted become a verb. Was for singular and verb for plural. At car there was a car. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಇತ್ತು. Once upon a time ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ there was a car. ಕಾರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರು ಟ್ರೀ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಂತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. There were cars standing under the tree. So I write a picture like this. See, I have drawn 4 cars there. So there were cars standing under the tree. There was a car standing under the tree. There were cars standing under the tree. Okay, like that you can differentiate yourself with a singular and a plural. That is, this is one car. Many cars. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆನಿ. ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Flower, book, food, then what else? Dog, gift, then what else? Bird. So many things you can take. I have taken little for my examples. Okay, many. Many ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Flower ಗೆ flowers, book ಗೆ books, food ಗೆ foods, dog ಗೆ dogs, gift के gifts, bird के birds. Okay, one and the many. Okay, flower के flowers, book books, food foods, dog dogs, gift gifts, bird and birds. Okay, these all are one and many. I have taken some examples. At home also you can take so many examples for the same thing. Please open your book, that is your reading readiness book, RR book. Page number 43 and 44. You have to complete 2 pages, 43 and 44. What they are given? One is cat, many means cats. Bag, read aloud. You have to read it aloud. Okay, bag, bags. Peck, pecks. Fan, fans. Mat, mats. Gift, gifts. Car, cars. Dog, dogs. Bib, bibs. One and many. Write many of the following. Write many of the following. First you have to write your name, put the date. Book, books. Cap, caps. Map, maps. Nib, nibs. Recognize the pictures and name them. Okay, there may be a many or one. For example, there is a 3 hat. Then what you will write? You write a 3 hat? No, you write a ads. If there is only one sun, what you will write? Sun. Then 2 dolls are there. What you will write? 2 dolls. You write a 2 dolls? No, you write it dolls. Okay, like that you have to complete the filling columns. Okay, children, this is your English. The homework is reading readiness book and also your cursive writing. Okay, we will move to next, that is EVS. We were learning about what in the EVS? Yes, we were learning about the vehicles using for the transportation, EVS. Correct alla? We were learning about the vehicles. Vehicles andre eno? It's an what? It's an object or instrument or a what? Material used to transport the goods from one place to other or a person from one place to other. Okay, there are 3 modes of transport, that is water transport, air transport and also the land transport. Land transport means the vehicles will move on a land to transport the goods and what? Also the person from one place to another place. Next is water transport. Water transport means it's a means of transport where the goods and persons are transported from one place to another place, either from one harbor to another harbor or from one town to another town, like that. Okay, nowadays the water transport is very less, only for their excursions or for a fun activities they are using the water transport. Okay, the third one is your air transport. The common transport usually used to travel from one country to another country, that is called a air transport. For example, in the air transport either they can transport a big animals, huge animals and also the person and also the goods. This is the fastest mode of transport. For example, if you want to travel from Bangalore to Delhi, using your road on the I mean with the bus or your own vehicle car, it will take 4 to 5 days. Okay, but if you travel the same distance from Bangalore to Delhi, if you want to travel by air, then it will cost more, but the transportation period will be very less, like 1 hour or 1.5 hour you can reach Delhi. But the fare of the air transport is very costly, children. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the wheels. Okay, number of wheels. Number of wheels ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈವನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಏನು ರನ್ವೇಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವೀಲ್ಸು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕಾರ್, train, bus, then what? Bicycle. the car, how many wheels will be there? There will be a 4 wheels. Next, in the train, can you count the train wheels? Have you tried to count the train wheels? No, because there will be a plenty of wheels. Okay, just we will imagine that in one bogie there will be more than 10. Okay, 10 wheels in one bogie. Okay, next bus. How many wheels will be there in the bus? Big tires, it may be like a 4 to 8. Okay, because double tire will be there. So it will be a 8 to 10 or 4 also it will be there. And bicycle. In the bicycle only 2 wheels will be there. You know, no? For a gripper it will be small wheels, that is different. But on the road what will go? That will be a 2 cycles. And auto it's a 3 cycle vehicle. Okay, this is your land transport. Now we will move to a water transport in the ship, boat. I will take only 2 things. Ship, can anyone tell to me? Ship, how it will move? I mean, how many wheels will be there? Anyone counted? Ship. In the boat there will be a 4. Okay, because rowboat, houseboat, everything it will be a 4 to 6, 4 or 6. But for the ship it will be a more than 10. Okay, in the ship the wheels will be a more than 10. You know that when the ship comes into the water with the help of a wheels only, afterwards it will close its feathers and also the wheels into inside to that. Okay, next is air transport. In the air transport, aeroplane, in the air balloon there will be a 4 wheels. In the aeroplane most of the things there will be a 2 to 4. 4 means 2 with a 2 symmetric, there will be a 2 symmetric aeroplane wheels will be there. And also in the air balloon there will be a 4 wheels. Okay, this is your EVS children, number of wheels in that land. You can see so many things. In the water, ship and boat. In the air, aeroplane and air balloons. Like this, you can learn more using your Google search or also your YouTube. That is called a vehicles wheels. Wheels, number of wheels for the vehicle. Okay, children. There is no homework regarding your EVS. The homework is in your drawing book. I am giving you one homework, drawing book. There is the picture of vehicles. You need to segregate your book into a land vehicles, water vehicles and air vehicles, and you need to stick the pictures for a particular category. Okay, I hope you understood now. Yes children, this is the today's class. I hope you understand. Please finish all your homework day to day basis. Bye.